How to fix the server access failure in WeChat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, let's learn some of the ways to fix the server access problem. To get started with, you have to update your app to the latest version. For this, if you're using Android, open Play Store and hit over the search bar. Type in WeChat. If you see a update sign, make sure to tap on it. For the step 2, clear the cache and data. For this, open the WeChat or long press the app info. Then go to storage and cache and clear the cache from the top right. After that, delete the app data, which will permanently delete all of the files and settings. So if you are sure about it, make sure to delete it. Step 3 would be restarting your WeChat application, and then you can try to log in again and access your server again. And this way you should be able to log in and use it. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.